Okay, here's a more complex one. Tan of 3x minus pi on 4 is negative 1. And again, let's do it in the domain 0 to 2 pi. Okay, tan being 1 is 45 degrees, which is pi on 4. So my reference angle is pi on 4. Tan is negative, so I'm actually looking in the second and fourth quadrants. Second and fourth quadrants for tan, there and there. So I'm looking at pi minus pi on 4, 2 pi minus pi on 4, and so on. Now this is a bit tricky. Let's try adjusting this domain. So if I'm talking about x here, but it's x minus pi on 4, notice we're working from the inside out, negative pi on 4, x minus pi on 4, 2 pi minus pi on 4. Now 2 pi minus pi on 4 is 7 pi on 4, kind of ran a room there. Now I want 3 of that, so I'm going to have to go minus 3 pi on 4, 3 x minus pi on 4, and I'm going up to 3 times this, which is 21 pi on 4. Okay, so my possible values for this, I'm going to leave myself a bit of room here. 3 x minus pi on 4. I'm starting at minus 3 pi on 4, so let's start with the first negative solution here, which is minus pi on 4. Minus 3 pi on 4 is over here, right, just less than pi. So I'm not going to get back another one, so let's go minus pi on 4. You know what, I'm going to get tired of writing or. Maybe I should be writing a comma. Next one will be pi minus pi on 4. Next one for tan will be over here, 2 pi minus pi on 4. So next one will be 3 pi minus pi on 4. That will be 3 fours are 12. I've now got 11. I'm going to 21. It's a long way to go yet. How many solutions should I find? I think it's going to be 3 here. I should have 6 solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep going. 4 pi minus pi on 4. 5 pi minus pi on 4. Let's check that. 5 fours are 20. Minus 1 will be 19. The next one, after that will be 6 pi minus pi on 4 will be too big. It'll be 23 pi on 4, and I've got to stop at 21. Okay, 6 solutions. That was this. So let's get back to x minus pi on 4. I'm going to divide by 3. Minus pi on 12. This is going to be, what was this one? Pi minus, that was 3 pi on 4, so now it's 3 pi on 12. This one was 2 times 4 is 8, minus 1 is 7 pi on 4, so now it's 7 pi on 12. negative 137, you can guess where the next one's going. 3 fours are 12, minus 1 is 11 pi on 12. 4 times 4 is 16, minus 1 is 15 pi on 12. Didn't really leave myself enough room, did I? 5 fours are 20, minus 1 is 19 pi on 12. Then I have to add pi on 4 to those. X is, I'll leave myself more room this time, pi on 4 minus pi on 12. Let me write it out and then we'll get our calculator out. It's pi on 12. This one is pi on 4 plus 3 pi on 12. Pi on 4 plus 7 pi on 12. Pi on 4 plus 11 pi on 12. Pi on 4 plus plus 15 pi on 12. Last one still won't fit. Pi on 4 plus 19 pi on 12. You should start to see a pattern after the first couple. Let's work them out, just in case you're struggling with fractions. A quarter minus a twelfth is a sixth. So that's pi on 6. A quarter plus 3/12. Whoops. Quarter plus 3/12 is a half. Pi on 2 might help you if you actually wrote this as 6 still, maybe. Let's just keep going. Pi on 2. The next one is a quarter plus 7/12. 5 pi on 6. A quarter plus 11/12. 7 pi on 6. A quarter plus 15 on 12 is 3 pi on 2, and a quarter plus 19 on 12 is 11 pi on 6. And I'm just under 2 pi, so I've got my full range 0 to 2 pi in these 6 solutions. Now, if this messy solution here doesn't make you wish that there was a better way, nothing will. There is a better way. It's called the general solution. We'll look at that next.